Most people don't realize that simple credit card mistakes can quietly ruin their credit score. Just one small mistake can cost you thousands of dollars in higher interest rates on loans, cars, or even a mortgage. In this video, you'll learn 5 common credit card mistakes that can seriously damage your credit score. Mistake number 1. Missed payments. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. It makes up about 35% of your FICO score. Even one late payment can stay on your credit report for up to 7 years and lower your score. The safest habit is simple. Always make at least the minimum payment before the due date. Mistake number 2. High credit utilization. Credit utilization measures how much of your available credit you're using. For example, if your credit limit is $1,000 and your balance is $500, your utilization is 50%. Experts recommend keeping your utilization below 30%, and many people with excellent credit keep it below 10%. A small trick many people don't know is that credit card balances are usually reported on the statement date, not the payment due date. Paying your balance before the statement closes can help keep your utilization lower. Mistake number 3. Applying for too many credit cards. Every time you apply for credit, lenders perform what is called a hard inquiry. Too many hard inquiries in a short period of time can lower your credit score and signal risk to lenders. Applying for credit slowly and only when necessary is usually the best strategy. Mistake number 4. Closing old credit cards. Many people think closing credit cards improves their financial situation. But closing a card can actually hurt your credit score. It reduces your total available credit and may increase your credit utilization. If the card has no annual fee, it's often better to keep it open instead of closing it. Mistake number 5. Never using your credit cards. Credit bureaus want to see responsible credit activity. If all your cards report zero balances month after month, your credit profile may look inactive. Using a small amount of credit and paying it on time shows positive financial behavior. Your credit score is built through consistent habits over time. Avoiding these common mistakes can help protect your score and improve your financial opportunities. Follow Clear Credit Guide for simple explanations about how credit works in the United States.